is Randy of Lonewolf Outdoors. I know this ain't for everybody. Everybody usually knows about how to catch minnows out of creeks, but for some of you that don't, I figure I'd show you how I do it. I know there's different techniques, different traps, but this is what I got, and I'm going to show you what I got. So these here, they come in black and silver. I had a silver one before. I know there's rumor around that the silver ones do better. I don't know any facts about that. But you just put them together like that right there. And I got this little hook like this. Get you a piece of bread. Some people use dog food, cat food. I just tilt it up like this, mash it in there. A couple pieces. I'll throw this in the creek right here for a couple hours and I'll come back and check on it. Like I said, most people know how to do this, but some people are just starting to fish, don't know what to do. You know, you can get these at Walmart, probably on Amazon or anywhere. I usually get a lot of minnows out of here. Most creeks are dried up by right now. We ain't had much rain. See right there, it's dried up on this side. And over here, there's a big old hole of water. It's not very deep. But there's minnows in there. Here I got the bread in there. And I just tie this to a limb or something like that. And we'll come back in a couple hours and see how many we got.
Always make sure to hold on to your string and then tie it up.
Yeah, don't throw it in a creek.
Because that's been done.
Yeah. Okay, we're back here. About 2 hours later, we're going to check the minnow trap. And we caught a few. Them are just right for crappie.
Like about 5.
Yep. We're going to turn them back loose though. We're just wanting to show people how to do this. Don't know. It's just getting into fishing or whatever. But them are good crappie minnows, or you can use them for bass or small catfish, whatever. We'll throw them back.
Fun that we played with when I was a kid. I don't know what y'all call them where you're from, but we call these touch-me-nots. And the reason we called them that, oh, did you see it? It blowed up. They have seeds in them. If you touch them, they just pop really quick and then they spread the seeds. Here's another one. See that? Isn't that cool? Played with those all the time growing up. We didn't have cell phones and all that junk they have now. We went outside and we made fun.
So I hope this helps anybody trying to catch minnows. Might want to check your state regulations or whatever. I don't know, but I've always catch them. And subscribe to this channel and share it. There's gonna be plenty more as soon as it cools down. It's like 100 degrees today, and Memorial Day weekend. We stayed off the water because of boat traffic, but we'll be back next weekend. And if you get any minnows, I bought this cooler a couple years ago. It works really good. It's got a little small aerator in it. It's got a basket, and it'll keep them alive for days. It'll keep bluegills alive. for days. That's a cool little investment right there.
Non-sponsored.
No sponsor, but it's a great little cooler to keep your stuff in. Appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoy the tips. You know, like I said, it's not, you know, most people know how to catch them, but new people might not. So subscribe and share and hit that like button. It'll help my channel out. Appreciate it.